Hello everyone. Today we will learn about cholinergic receptors or the muscarinic and nicotinic receptors. Okay? To understand about muscarinic and nicotinic receptor, we need to be clear about what is acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter. Where it is found? It is found in the cholinergic system. Acetylcholine acts through two types of receptor. One is muscarinic and another one is nicotinic receptor. Now we will learn about what are the agonists, antagonists, how they locate, how they act, where they locate, this type of things. Okay. First one is muscarinic receptor. Which type of agonist bound? Agonist is muscarine. Antagonist is atropine. What is antagonist? When the muscarine binds with the muscarinic receptor, it actually potentiates the action. Antagonist is when atropine binds with the muscarinic receptor, it inhibits the action. Okay. Now, where they located? What are the locations? Locations are gastric gland, autonomic ganglia, central nervous system, heart, smooth muscles, exocrine glands, endothelial cells. Now, what are the subtypes? That are M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. Okay. In the gastric gland, autonomic ganglia and central nervous system, M1 type of receptor is found. In the heart, M2 type of receptor is found. In smooth muscle, exocrine gland and endocrine gland, M3 type of receptor is found. But M4 and M5 is mainly found in the central nervous system. Okay. Now, how they act? M1, M3, M5 act through the IP3-DAG pathway. But M2 and M4 act through the cyclic AMP pathway. Okay. Now, what is nicotinic receptor? Nicotinic receptors. What is the agonist of this receptor? Agonist is nicotine. It is also an alkaloid. Okay. Now, what is the antagonist? Antagonist is tubocurarine. What are the subtypes? That is NN and NN. Okay. NN actually found in the autonomic ganglia, adrenal, medulla, and central nervous system. But NM found in the neuromuscular junction. Okay. How they act? They actually act through by directly opening ion channels and causes the membrane depolarization. Which type of ion channels? That is sodium and potassium type. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching.